Hello, I am going to tell you about my family. My family is composed of my mother, my father, my sister, my son, my niece, and me. My mother is Maria Isabel Moreno. She is 2 years old. She is very pretty. As you can see in the picture, she is light brown than my father, than my sister Cristina has the white nose the mine, and my hair is cool the mine. She is my sister Cristina. She is 34 years old. She is lovely. She has white is like mine is fuller than my mother. In this mother, in this my father, and is the mother of the four. He is my son Joel. He is 7 years old. Joel is intelligent. Joel has bushy eyebrows, the Marlin, and mole in the my niece Isabella. She is my niece Marlin. She is 10 years old. She is very small. Marlin has eyes bigger than Joel and hair longer than Isabella. She is the bravest of the three. She is named Isabella. She is 5 years old. She is very beautiful. She is the very small Marlin and his father, the Joel.